Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best plant care app for iPhone. Could be for watering, photo ID, and even with widgets. So, Arrosa combines plant identification, adaptive watering reminders, care information, widgets, and customization in one visual iPhone app. It keeps things incredibly clean and clutter-free. The main dashboard organizes your plant collection at a glance, grouping plants by room or session so you can breeze through your daily plant care in under a minute. It clearly highlights which plant needs checking today, so you never have to guess who's thirsty. Now, if you didn't know how to download the Arrosa app, you can go ahead and open up your camera and then point your camera on the right side of your screen, and then it will go ahead and ask you to tap on App Store. Just tap on App Store, and then the Arrosa app will be available. Well, go ahead and tap on Get, and once installed, tap on Open. Now, if you want to download manually, go ahead and open up your App Store, find Arrosa, and then hit on Get. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the application right here. Now, let's go ahead and try to add a plant. All right, so as you can see here, I already had 5. I'm going to tap on one, and then tap on the information icon. I'm going to go ahead and tap on delete at the very bottom. Delete. That's how you delete a plant or an entry. Now to add, you can tap on add plant and then identify with a photo, or if you already know the specific plant, well, go ahead and use the search bar right here and look it up manually. So again, I'm just going to show you right here how to identify it with a photo. Tap on it. Now your phone's camera will be opened. Well, you can now go ahead and point your camera with a good lighting, of course, so it can identify clearly, and then take a snap. Once done, at the bottom right, tap on Use Photo. There you go. And then just wait for it to load. In the next page, we'll go ahead and show you what type of plant it is. So as you can see here, I've reached the limit today. So if you have the free version, well, I think you have 5 to 10 plant identification per day. And then you can add up to 5 plants right here on your home screen. All right. So basically, when you already identified the specific plant, go ahead and just tap on Add Plant. All right. And it will go ahead and add it in right here. Now you could water a plant manually, one by one. For example, African violet right here. Tap on Water Now, or go to the very top, tap on Start. Okay. To start a watering session. So it says here your aloe vera needs watering. Check if the soil is still damp or already watered it on another day. So go outside or check the plant if the soil is still damp. If it's still damp, select this option. Or if it's dry, well, you'll have to water it. Okay? Or you can skip it for now. African violet, let's say it's dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and water it now. Tap on, I just watered. So here we have the watering round. So tap on Done. There you go. And as you can see here, we just watered the African violet. Now it's happy. Now it says here, when you tap on it, it says water about every 6 days, and place it under a bright indirect light, and remove faded flowers with their entire small stem. So you must go ahead and follow those simple instructions, okay? You have the journal here as well. You can tap on it. And as you can see on the 11th, I've watered 1 plant. 14th right here, I've already watered 3 plants. You have the care plan right here. For example, aloe vera needs watering today. And in 6 days, African violet needs watering, as well as the asparagus fern. Now scroll all the way down and you'll find your daily logs and your past logs. And when you go ahead over the quest right here, you can go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see, I'm level 5 and it just unlocked the Prism watering bucket or can. You can tap on it to select it so that it will be used to be the animation whenever you plant, whenever you water a plant. Now, my next reward right here will be the Autumn Garden. I want to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, my latest unlocked gardens was the summer garden. I can just go ahead and tap on it so that I can use it from the main app as well as the widget. Okay, it will take some time right here to reflect what's in the app or the background of the app, but you can just wait for it. Let's say you've checked the to-dos right here, store history, and some other stuffs. And by the way, if you want to know how to add in a widget, as you can see here, it's already updated. To add in a widget, tap and hold on the blank screen. All right, now tap on edit right here at the very top or at the top left. Tap on add widgets. Now you'll have free widgets right here from Arrosa if you just want to use the free version, which is this one. Now these two, which is pretty awesome, you'll have to subscribe to premium. These two right here. I like this one. All right. So just add to widget and you're good to go. It will be shown right here. And you can also tap on the widget. It will automatically open up the Arrosa app. So let's go ahead and go back to the premium plan. So when you go ahead and tap on the crown button right here, as you can see, you can subscribe annually or monthly. It's up to you. Now, unlimited plant and photos right here, adaptive reminders, a garden that feels like yours, and exclusive widgets. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord. And the invitation link is in the description below. All right, so your plant will thank you for this one. Again, scan the QR code on the right-hand side of your screen or go to the App Store and download it manually to grab your free download and upgrade your plant parent game. And that is the best plant care app for your iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.